Let's get your Optus NBN modem connected. Start by identifying your NBN connection type. The three main types are fiber to the premises, fiber to the curb, and hybrid fiber coaxial. Locate the network termination device if you have one. This is usually a small box on your wall or outside your property. For fiber connections like FTTP or FTTC, use a fiber optic cable to connect the Uni-D port on the NTD to the WAN port on your Optus modem. For HFC connections, use a coaxial cable to connect from the wall socket to the WAN port on the modem. Next, use Ethernet cables, also known as RJ45 cables, to connect your computers or other devices to the LAN ports on the modem. The modem has a power port for the AC adapter to provide electricity. There are also USB ports for connecting peripherals like external storage devices. Correct cable connections are crucial for a stable connection. For HFC connections, use a splitter if you're also using cable TV to separate the signals. Here's how everything connects together for your modem setup. Power on your Optus NBN modem and wait for the indicator lights to stabilize. Connect to the modem's default Wi-Fi network using the SSID printed on the modem. Open a web browser in optus.com.au/setup or use the Optus app. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your service using your Optus account details. You'll need to set a new Wi-Fi password and test your internet connectivity. Important: ensure the modem is grounded to prevent electrical surges and that you have a stable power source. If prompted, update the modem's firmware for optimal performance and security.